In this video, we see a driver driving on the opposite lane to try to skip this traffic and then get hit by a school bus. So there's some traffic, they stop to let the bus pull out, and then this car driving on the opposite lane and the middle lane, they're not even driving in one single lane, they're driving on both, doesn't see the school bus pull out and gets ragdolled across and flipped. So if you're late, driving like this isn't going to really help you get anywhere faster. It might get you there a minute or two faster, but it's not going to make that much of a difference in your arrival time, but it is going to make a huge difference in your safety. If you look at the bus, it's pulling out over here. If this person had been aware and had been looking at for the intersections and looking at other cars pulling out, this wouldn't have happened, even if they were driving like this. And if there are cars stopped, there's a good reason. There's usually a reason that people stop on the road. They don't just stop for no reason. So driving like this, you're going to be putting yourself in the way of danger of whatever the people in front of you stopped for. So let's learn from this person. Let's all be safer, more responsible drivers.